Hello and welcome to our channel Ahmedabad. Today we shall show you the road from Govindwadi, Isanpur towards the Avkar Hall. Please be with us. Thank you. This is the Govindwadi Square. As you can see, this way goes towards the Isanpur and NH8. This is proper Isanpur. This way towards Maninagar and this one towards the Avkar Hall. So be with us. This is the Govindwadi Samjhuba School. It is scorching heat as of now, around 45 degrees. You can see very few people are on the road. Ahmedabad is always hot. The COVID testing center in Ahmedabad. You can see the people are standing in queue over here. These are the complexes. It is going to This place is known as Jaimala Society and Jaimala Square area of Isanpur. This goes towards Maninagar, this goes to Isanpur and this way Govindwadi. This way straight road goes to Avkar Hall. Signboard straight to go Hatkeshwar Guruji Bridge, Narol on right hand side, but Narol is too far from this place. In this road, this right hand side turn goes towards the NH8, National Highway number 8, a shortcut for National Highway. This is the ring road, larger one. As you can see, there are more than 3 lanes over here. Too spacious. This is the surrounding area. Giriraj tenement. Due to COVID, all the benches on the road have been overturned so that nobody would sit on the benches. Wherever you find the bench, it has been overturned, not in erect position, to avoid social gathering. This way also goes towards Maninagar and this straight away road goes towards Avkar Hall and Guruji Bridge. We will be going towards Avkar Hall. This is the Canal Feeder Garden. this area surrounding is the Avkar Hall area. This way is the Avkar Hall. So this is the Avkar Hall bus stop. This way, right hand side way goes towards Guruji Bridge. The straight road goes towards this Maninagar, and also on the right hand side it goes towards Maninagar. This is the Avkar Hall bus stop. And just opposite to it is again the COVID vaccinations or COVID testing center, and people are standing in queue. You can check it out over here. We'll show that. This is the COVID testing center. Free testing. People are waiting in queue for their turn to come. Here you can see the queue. There is a long queue over here. This patient is being tested for COVID. Crowd is waiting for their turn to come. This is the testing person. Here is the queue. The long queue over here. In Scorching heat also, these people are standing in queue for their turn to come. New commuters are coming for getting themselves tested. They might be suspecting themselves to be positive.